Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do wall ball alphabets. So what you're going to do is you need a small ball, probably something you can get from the dollar store, just a kid's ball. And you need that it's not too big and not too small so that you can palm it, okay? So what you're going to do is, this is going to be proprioception for your shoulders. And the biggest thing when you're doing this exercise is to make sure that the movement is coming from the shoulder and not from your wrist, okay? So that's the toughest part in this exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a flat wall and you're going to place your arm straight forward. Now, make sure that you keep your elbow locked out, which means that it's nice and straight, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together. So you're going to retract shoulder, you're going to do scap retraction, which means you're going to pull this shoulder blade back, okay? So just like that, all right? And then you're going to have the ball on the wall and you're going to move from the shoulder joint itself, okay? So you're going to spell the alphabet, and so we'll start with capitals and in English, okay? So we're going to find the wall. We're going to place the ball right here. We're going to bring our shoulders up to 90 degrees. You're going to put the palm in the middle of the ball, okay? You're going to stand nice and tall, okay? And all you're going to do is squeeze back here, all right? And you're going to spell the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so that's it. That's how to do a wall ball alphabet. All right.